Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to amend a tax return on TaxAct Online. At first open any browser, search for TaxAct. Next log into your TaxAct account. From the home page scroll down to Help and Support section. Select Contact Us from there. This will take you to the customer service page. From here select Phone Support to talk to a representative. Tell the customer service agent that you want to amend a tax return on TaxAct Online. They will guide you through the process. Give them appreciate information. Then submit it. Customer service will explain how to track your amended return using the IRS tracking tool. That was all. Thanks for watching.